How to read a note in Horrortale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can read or view a note. First of all, open the application. So here I'm in this gaming interface. Now go to the place where the note is located. So here I'm going to this place, and here on the top you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. Now as you can see, I'm being able to read the note. Here there are different information about the game too. So in order to play or move forward in the game, these notes are very essential. So you can read the notes and find out the clues. Now simply tap on this cross button and you can even follow the instruction like it says. Now you can complete the task more easily also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.